Meaning of inharmonious.
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 Inharmonious. The word inharmonious refers to a lack of harmony or agreement between two or more things. When something is described as inharmonious, it suggests that there is discord or conflict present. This can be applied to many different situations, from relationships to music. Inharmonious elements may clash with one another, creating a sense of discomfort or unease. Ultimately, the result of inharmonious elements is disharmony and discordance. It is important to identify inharmonious aspects in our lives in order to address them and strive for greater harmony and balance.